moment of truth. Well, the battery is still kind of dead, so we are going to hop to the other side and put emergency start on, emergency jump, and see if this bitch fires up, you know what I'm saying? So, let's go to 50 volts. Fucking yellow. Unless the battery's getting a little bit of juice. Of course. Fucking door's locked, so I gotta go around. The jumper box is definitely not strong enough to start this bitch. Fucking retarded, bro. And it fucking started. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Oh my God, I'm fucking juiced. Y'all can't see shit, man, but I'm fresh off of work, 6 o'clock in the morning, 12-hour shift. Came straight home and put the tune on the fucking car. Let's fucking go, baby. Hope you guys hear that? Motherfucker is on, baby. Jeez. Yes, sir. Let's go. Motherfucking music to my ears. It's cold as fuck out here. It's like 40 degrees. I hope that's not a blown engine, but I really can't tell because it's cold as fuck out here. You can see my breath, so I'm pretty sure that's the fucking car. But that's music to my ears, you guys. It's on. Yes, it's fucking on. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Let's just get a moment of silence and just listen to the car for a second. Technically, I already been here, Corey, and I'm going to put the time on this so you believe me. But, yeah, I already been here for 15 minutes, you bitch.
It's literally getting stuck because the door was.
Yep.
You got flywheel, right?
I got everything inside the kit.
Oh, you see
Shout out to my guys
out?
once again, always coming through.
Pieces of clutch flying out.
Dude, you seen that?
Yeah,
Bro.
look at it all. Look at it all coming out.
I know what's wrong with it.
It ain't got no clutch in it.
Ain't got no clutch in it.
Chunks of clutch.
Oh my God.
I told y'all that shit was burnt, bro. I literally.
Clutch when you started.
Hey,
All right, grab the
you
clutch.
said what?
Grab the clutch.
Hey, I literally, at the last event, I had to put my, God damn.
Those are hot, too.
I literally had to,
Whoa.
oh man, hey, I got all that on camera.
You don't want hot spots. That shit was cooking.
Cooking, baby.
Never-
Clutch actually
Look,
wasn't
dude.
that bad.
It was never releasing.
It was the.
And then the fucking whole shit was fucking.
Look at that shit. I've never seen. Oh, you hear the spring in there?
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah. That shit ain't working right.
I missed it too. I was literally pulling out the camera.
Oh my God, I wish you got that on video.
I was like this close to getting it.
Squeeze it, you go.
I squeezed it right in your eye.
Right in the sidewall. Yeah, bro. It's like this, or like squeeze. Oh, fuck.
That's hilarious. I almost got it on camera. Almost.
That was fucking funny.
So CSC delete kit. I don't even know what the fuck, where this shit's gonna go.
There should be instructions in here, honestly.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go to those bolts that are right there.
Look at this. It's a CNC deleter.
And the kit is installed. It was a pretty simple install. Corey decided to clean this shit after it was installed like an idiot. Wasn't using his fucking head. And so he wanted to clean it after we installed it, put the nice grease on it. I told him not to do it. He didn't listen. Fuck. You know what I'm saying? But the kit is installed. Help from the fellas. I love those guys, man. But yeah, we're about to stab it back in. The new clutch is in, 6-puck, everything's ready to go to install back. We were like, all right, you ready to put the transmission? This fool just grabs the whole thing by itself. Like, yeah, I'm ready.
Oh fuck. We went up on the car, huh?